Two San Diego strip clubs are back in court fighting to stay open, but a decision could affect other businesses, including struggling restaurant owners. Fox 5's Chris Beal, he's live downtown in San Diego, where the case was heard today. Chris.
Yeah, good evening, Maria. And the courts, they talked about this all being a very expedited process at Baseline here, with the business owners and employees all on the line. Just a Kiss Away may take a little bit longer. While lawyers for two San Diego strip clubs argue their case virtually in appeals court, they remain closed, with a court decision coming later this week. The clubs arguing the type of entertainment provided is constitutionally protected under freedom of speech.
So to me, it seems insurmountably unfair to say that these plaintiffs who have on-site restaurants that are the very smallest portion of their business, that now completely takes away the First Amendment protections for their live adult entertainment.
The state arguing they are not singling out strip clubs in any way, and they'll need to comply with the stay-at-home order just as other businesses are being asked to do.
The suggestion that that plaintiffs' venues have somehow been singled out, that live adult entertainment has been singled out under the regional order or the blueprint or any of the state's orders, I do not agree with that. The regional order requires the temporary closure of many different sectors.
It was just last month when lawyers in the case had a victory, allowing Cheetahs in Kearny Mesa and Pacers in the Midway District to open up briefly, along with San Diego restaurants lumped into their case, when a judge ruled the strip clubs and restaurants could operate safely, saying there was no link to safe service and COVID spread.
Especially in a case like this, where it's true that this began about two strip clubs, but actually was expanded to businesses that offer restaurant services.
The victory was short-lived with a quick overturn, and restaurants were ordered to close again.
Now, here's the counter-argument. People don't generally go to a strip club for the restaurant service. And the other activities that are offered there, the dancing, as the court case explains, you can't bring those curbside and you certainly can't deliver them. So these cases are a little bit different in terms of a strip club versus a restaurant, but the ruling encompassed all of the above.
Now, we did hear from the state, and they were trying to argue that the lower court's decision was really overreaching in including restaurants with these two strip clubs. So when this new decision comes out, they are really hoping for some clarification on whether or not restaurants should be included with these two San Diego strip clubs, and that decision is expected this week on Thursday. For now, we're live in downtown. I'm Chris Beal, Fox 5 News.